productive or feeling hindi ka success, they're just waiting for you there. So yung higher self mo, it will always exist and it will always root for you. Not just a firefly. Ayan. No, ayoko marinig yung boses ko na yan. Ang galing.
My vision is blurry and hazy. One thing's for sure.
Everything is much clearer.
I might have kept straying from the path I was supposed to take, but maybe,
Just maybe.
I'll always find home. The moon is so sure. Good night.
Good night daw. Good night. Tapos, hindi lang siya isang firefly. Madami na sila. And, yeah, nilagay ko yung loving memory of my lola. What? Director! Oh, Director Ralph William Daton. Concert na direct mo, direct. Oh my gosh! Nag-flash ako dito ng parang yung mga dreams ko. So parang may graphics din yung bawat dreams. So ito yung isa, yung parang, I think parang ito yung sa, magkakaroon ako ng sarili kong PC and then magkakaroon ako ng games, manonood ako ng films, or magpipaint ako doon. Ito yung isang dream. Tapos, producer din. Gastos siya. Pinag-ipunan ko tong malalay. Oh, graduation. Hindi ko makagraduate. So, natupad ko na. Pareho. Okay, so nakalabas na yung halaga nito. Tapos dream ko ma-playlist sa OPM Hits. Tapos never pa ako na OPM Hits na playlist. Anything playlist. So parang ito nilagay ko siya dyan. OPM Hits. Tapos Maki's halaga. Tapos ngayon parang hindi lang halaga yun nandun. Or hindi halaga yun nandun, but my other songs. Nakakaiyak naman to. Ayoko na. Parang ano na ako. Concert!
So I'll keep my eyes open.
Ayun. Ang weird kasi I felt like nung time na yun ako si White na Maki. Tapos ngayon ako yung sasalita ngayon, ako yung yellow na Maki. Weird. Like 2021, 22, 23, 24 4 years ago. Parang mali na inano ko to. Naiimo ako. Ang cute na itong part na to. Nag-smile siya ng super big. Hala, ba't ako naiiyak? Parang ano kasi siya yung past self ko. Parang ito yung moment na pag na siya sa akin ngayon. Yeah, so that's it. Ayoko na. Naiiyak na ako. Emotional damage. So yeah, I'm really, really happy na natuto ko na ito lahat. And sana kasama ko kayo doon sa concert ko again sa November 7. And yung Color Coaster album, it will be out on September 19. Ilang araw na lang. 8 days na lang. I hope I get to tour also, regional. Sana mag-regional tour din tayo sa Color Coaster. Gusto nyo ba yun? Yeah, wanna go to Palawan. Ang daming kong supporters sa Palawan. Ang daming sushis sa Palawan. Okay, I feel like I need to go because I'm gonna do my cardio and eat breakfast dahil di ko pa ginagawa ko yung lahat. Di ba, ang dami ko nang ginawa pa, hindi pa ako nagganon. So, I'm gonna start my day and ang dami ko pang assignment na gagawin. But, I wanna leave you guys with a statement na this concert will be very, very colorful, fun, and siguro ang dami pang mystery to unfold. So, I hope you guys are in for that ride. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye. Ticket selling September 15. Ticket selling ng concert September 15. Okay? Bye.